How to connect WordPress to Google Analytics. So the first step is to simply go to WordPress and then click on plugins. Then simply search for Google Analytics, and then you're gonna have to so let me search for it. So then you're gonna have to simply install this one here. Now, as you can see, in order to be able to install plugins, even though these are free, you're gonna have to simply upgrade to a paid plan. So you're gonna have to simply upgrade your WordPress account, and then you're gonna be able to install it. So basically that's all you have to do. So after that, you're gonna have to simply log into your Google Analytics account, or if you don't have one, simply create one from scratch, and then you can start using it to track your analytics of your WordPress site. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.